That was my fanfare to celebrate the fact that this is the grand finale, yes, the grand final of International Bogies.
Second on this, qui Roma siamo complesso Vittoriano Motorbike.
What he just said on the translator is we Dickedom are here in London outside number 10 Downing Street. Oh, the Italian flag, Italian building. Oh dear, no we're not, we're in Rome.
Yes, we're in Rome. At the Vittoriano complex, where we're going to a motorbike exhibition to play moto, which is bogies in Italian.
So inside the building known as the Wedding Cake, the setting for this grand final of International Bogies.
Mocho.
McCourt sets the first marker at 0.6 on the Mochiometer. Here at the Moto Guzzi exhibition, motorbikes throughout the ages. How very fitting.
Mocho.
Wood responds with a 1.3. Still piano, or quiet, at this stage.
It's his face.
McCourt.
Mocho.
Neatly placed, that's a 2.4. Food for thought. Wood with the feigning interest trick.
Mocho.
Releases it. It's a 3.0. Keeping him firmly in the game.
Mocho.
McCourt with a 4.1. Raising the Mucal stakes. Trick here is not to give away your hand too quickly.
Mocho.
Leave something in reserve, which is what Wood has done. There's a 4.9. And he's pleased with that. A lot at stake for these two boys.
Mocho.
McCourt digging deep for 5.7. Wood straight back in with a 6.8. Oh dear.
Sorry? Tu parles français?
It's Italian.
Hablas inglés?
There seems to be some trouble here with
Español?
the Italian official
BBC.
taking uscire, meaning get out in Italian. This isn't looking good.
Filming.
It's
You want
all
us...
Sorti.
Huh?
Dovete uscire.
You
Fuori.
might want us to
Dovete
leave.
andare fuori.
You want us to go?
it's unfortunate
Sorry.
standoff with the Italian authorities. And the boys calling for Gerard, our long-suffering steward, as they are accompanied
Okay, okay.
rather brutishly
Sorry.
out of the building. What a very, very terrible shame. There's the winner. The last recorded as those two naughty, naughty, dirty dinosaurs are asked in no uncertain terms to leave.